Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the AI Pod all-in-one device by iJoy. Inspired by the iPod design, the iJoy AI Pod is a compact, refillable pod system with a built-in 450 mAh battery. The kit comes in a small cardboard box. Inside, the kit contents include a user manual, a warranty card, a lanyard, a USB charging cable, and a refillable cartridge with the AI battery. Charge the AI via the USB port located on the bottom. To fill with e-liquid or nicotine salt blends, unplug the stopper located on the bottom of the cartridge. Fill to the top. Close the stopper and let it sit for a few minutes to let the e-liquid completely soak into the organic fiber cotton. Snap the cartridge into the AI battery and you're ready to vape. The AI Pod is a small, lightweight combo. I like the smooth texture and the rounded edges. I don't like that it won't stand up on its own, so it's basically a lay-down flat e-cig, which I've been trained not to do. The mouthpiece is comfortable to use, but I found the draw to be a little airy for my liking. The 450 mAh battery lasts a decent amount of time, as does the refills, with the larger 2ml pods. Overall, it's a pretty cool, high-quality pod system. I do wish it came with 2 pods though. The iJoy AI Pod Starter Kit currently runs in the $20 to $30 range, and it comes in 3 colors to choose from. If you would like to pick up the kit for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.